Hi, I'm Ebony DuBois, and I wanted to talk to you about public records and judgments for a second. There's a section on your credit report that covers judgments, tax liens, bankruptcies. Judgments fall in that section called public records. So what I wanted to talk to you about is the expectations with the credit repair company and judgments and what that looks like, okay? So judgments happen because of an unpaid debt filed in the court within statute of limitations. And a statute of limitation just tells the court how long the company has in order to enforce the debt. So if the company doesn't have a lot of years, then they can't take you to court later. You can just show up and prove the debt is over the statute of limitations and you don't have anything to worry about. Now, always show up in court. That's my quick tip of the day, okay? Always show up in court. And then as a snapshot of what I really want you to walk away with is what's allowed to be asked, when to touch a judgment and when not to, okay? And what my personal quote is, life is made of lessons. And what really matters is that the lesson does not go to waste. Allow it to improve you and improve your process in life, okay? There's a few takeaways that I want you to have from today's education lesson. Turning your back on a judgment and running is bad business no matter how you look at it. Be responsible, open your mail, respond to the mail. Don't let fear paralyze you. Understanding the boundaries of what you can do versus what you should do and should not do are essential part of the solution of any judgment. And the best way to learn that is at legal aid, okay? Any missed date grants the company the right to the judgment, which can result in garnishment of your wages, your taxes, and your Social Security income. So I've got a few action steps that I'd like you to take. Write down the zip code of the address on the paperwork and look up the closest court with legal aid. Or you can look up a pro bono attorney, okay? The second action step I'd like you to take is to write down the hours of operation for walk-in appointments and workshops to include how to book an appointment if it's listed on their site. Write down if there's any pending court dates and never ever miss the court date, okay? No matter what is said over the phone. If someone tells you you don't have to come, show up anyway. Book with me today for more details. Call 833-323-5444. Now, as a credit repair company, I cannot give you legal advice, but I can make sure that you know where the legal aid office is. I can make sure that you know when the workshops are, and I'm willing to do that because after that is resolved, guess what? You still need help getting it off your credit report using ethical processes for finding errors, mistakes, and misinformation. There's a third sheet here for notes. Please use it. Write down anything that you need to take your notes, and then make your appointment with me, and I'm going to help you get through the process of cleaning up your credit. Now, I told you in my snapshot that I was going to tell you what's allowed to be asked. What's allowed to be asked is, do you have any upcoming workshops? Can you help me file a response in court? The answer is a credit repair company cannot help you file a response in court, but legal aid can. They have workshops and they can go down the boxes and tell you what to check and what not to check. You always want to go to court. If the judgment is in place, only the court can lift the judgment. Only the court can eliminate and eradicate the judgment. You have to go to court. A credit repair agency, a credit repair company cannot modify any of that. I don't want you to feel like we just don't want to talk to you. I want you to know that we are bound and limited in what we can do, but we can walk you through how to get to the courthouse, and we're able to do that, okay? And then once you're done with the courthouse, we will help you find the mistakes in the report to help you combat and get your report 100% accurate, or as close to 100% as we possibly can. All right, I hope you have a great day. I look forward to talking to you. I'm Ebony DuBois, and this was me educating you on public records, specifically judgments. Thank you. Have a great day.